Has like, looks like she has gold on her. Oh my God, you have gold. No! God, stop messing around with these fools. She has gold trim. You know, I'm telling you, these birds be exposing it all. What these fools be doing in the fucking dark. Yeah. Yeah. Friggin' this. There's a fool here that's almost like Hefty, but I call him Checker. Checker. Right here. Yeah, Checker. Looks like he has checker print. He has almost similar, like, to the white tip, like the feather. Hefty, Checker. Where is Checker? Where are you, man? Yeah, that's blue suede. It's these ones. Right here, these two. Yep, that's Checker and Hefty. Look at the gold. Look at the gold, bros. So Checker has the gold. Yeah, don't fall for the gold wrapping. Wow, look at that. Look at Butterfly. Yeah, see, she's so regal. So, like, she ain't got time to deal with that shit. And, yeah. Ain't got time to deal with it. Look at your gold, too. This one and that one got gold in them. Yeah. You guys do. What's in between y'all? Something's in between y'all. Acting a fool. Look at that. Shaking. You okay? Tapping him on the shoulder. Yeah. The chick. Yep. The girl. Like, here's my number. I knew it. Yep. See, these birds be telling me everything. Yeah, look at that. Look at. So somebody's on the karmic's back. Or somebody's ancestor. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I was getting lamentations. I'm gonna upload it. But what the hell's going on? Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired of dealing with these fools and their hoes and fucking... Yeah, I'm too fucking gorgeous for this shit. I'm too kind. I'm too nice. Like, I can't. You want to be with hoes, go be with hoes. Yep. Hoes always trying to get in between y'all. Yeah. The royal golden couple. Bitch, get out of here. I don't really have any animosity, but this is just hypothetical, like, or, you know what I mean? Yeah. Look at you. Look at y'all. Look at you. You. Yeah, you. Yeah. Damn fools. Damn fools, right, Butterfly? Yeah. Look at your nose. Hi, Butterfly. We ain't got time to deal with these fools. No. No, we don't.